Morning, guys. Chris, Topaz Guitars. I just finished up this guitar. I'm going to deliver it today, and it's a birthday surprise, so it'll be going to somebody tomorrow for their birthday. But this was a commission. This book is dangerous. Or this book is not safe. So I got a yardstick, stained red, kind of match some of the colors. Oak headstock, 4 strings. Of course, the book. I got a PV recycled pickup dowel for the bridge. We got all the exposed electronics. Turn around on this side. See, I run the conduit here, and volume and a jack, and of course it's probably backwards in my phone. Be dangerous, number 60. So I'm gonna get this tuned up and be right back and get a sound sample. Alright guys, I got it tuned up. GDGB. Haha, I figured out the random buzz. May end up having to cover that up later on. Maybe the kid likes it. I don't know. We'll find out. Looks a little fun and dangerous to me. Like this book isn't safe. So anyway. I can't play 4-string to save my life, but well, at least we'll get a sound out of it, right? There you go. I hope he likes it. I think he will.